Let's get started with creating your first Express server. This will involve building a basic web server using the Express.js framework. We will be using Node.js and Express.js. Node.js is the JavaScript runtime environment, and Express.js is the framework that simplifies building web applications with Node.js. Express.js is a fast, minimal, and flexible Node.js web application framework. It provides a robust set of features for building web applications, including routing, middleware, and HTTP utilities. Routing refers to how an application's endpoints respond to client requests. Middleware are functions that have access to the request object, the response object, and the next middleware function in the application's request-response cycle. HTTP utilities provides methods for handling HTTP requests and responses. Before diving in, there are a couple of prerequisites. First, make sure you have Node.js installed. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript on the server side. Second, you'll need NPM, the Node package manager. NPM comes bundled with Node.js, so if you have Node.js installed, you already have NPM. Now let's set up our project. First, create a new directory for your project using the command dir myexpressapp, and then navigate into it using cd myexpressapp. Next, initialize a new npm project by running npm init-y. This will create a package.json file in your project directory. Finally, install Express using the command npm install express. Now let's write some code to create a basic Express server. First, we require Express, then create an Express application instance. We define the port at 3000. Then we use app.get to define a route handler for GET requests to the route path. The handler function takes a request and response object and sends the hello world message back to the client. Finally, we start the server using app.listen, telling it to listen for connections on port 3000. Let's break down the code. The line require Express imports the Express framework, making its functions available. Express open and close parenthesis creates an Express application instance, which is the core of our web server. App.get /, defines a route handler for GET requests to the route path. App.listen 3000 starts the server, making it listen for incoming requests on port 3000. To run the server, open your terminal, navigate to your project directory, and execute the command node-app.js. Then, open your web browser and visit http://localhost:3000. You should see the Hello World message displayed in your browser. Congratulations! You have successfully built your first Express server. You now have a working web server that can handle HTTP requests and send responses. As a next step, try adding more routes, middleware, and functionality to your server. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.